In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Geotracker into Blender, which will enhance your ability to handle geospatial data within this powerful software. So let's dive right in and make sure you follow along closely to optimize the process. First off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google search bar. Here, you'll want to type in Geotracker Blender. This will pull up a list of related results showcasing various options where you can find Geotracker specifically tailored for Blender. Click on the link that appears for the Geotracker Blender. This usually leads you to the main page where you can access the download link. Once you're on the Geotracker Blender page, you should see an obvious download button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt the software to begin downloading to your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and double-check where your downloads are saved, as you will need this information later. With the Geotracker downloaded, it's time to open the Blender application on your computer. If you haven't used Blender before, it's represented by an orange and white icon, and you can find it in your Applications folder or Start menu. Once Blender is open, locate the Edit tab situated at the top of the interface. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, from which you should scroll down and click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, you'll notice several tabs. Look for and select the Add-ons tab. This is where you manage extra tools and extensions within Blender. Now, direct your attention to the right side corner of this window. There should be a down arrow button. You'll want to click on this to expand your options. Next, click the Insert Disk option. A File Explorer window should pop up, allowing you to locate the file you just downloaded. Navigate to your download folder, select the Geotracker file, and then click Open. Once you've got the file situated, look for an Install from Disk button and click it. This action installs the Geotracker add-on into Blender. The next step involves ensuring the functionality of this new tool. Within the Add-ons window, use the search bar to type in keentools. When it appears, go ahead and select it. You'll need to agree to its terms and conditions before proceeding. Simply click on the agreements and then install them online. This ensures you're up to date with the latest features and enhancements offered by the tool. Finally, to wrap things up, you'll see 3 boxes that need to be checked to enable the functionality of the Geotracker you just installed. Check these boxes and congratulations. You're all set to start using Geotracker with Blender. That's a quick run-through of integrating Geotracker into your Blender experience. I hope this guide was clear and that it enhances your work within Blender. Happy creating!